We feel really lucky here in USW. We have a specialist lab space and we have a lot of market-leading equipment here. We have the eye tracker, which is one of the market leaders in eye tracking technology. It acts a bit like a normal computer screen. We can track the eye movements of students when they're using this machine. We also have the eye tracking glasses. A lot of eye tracking is something that we need to do on the move, so you can use those glasses in sport, consumer psychology shopping. We also have the mobile EEG system. We're looking at a project at the moment where one of our academic colleagues wants to investigate sound journeys and how people engage with the person delivering the sound journey. So we use an EEG to see those brain waves in action. We also have biopatches that collect electrophysiological data from participants, so things like heart rate and galvanic skin response, the amount of water near the surface of your skin in response to excitement or anxiety or stress. We have a piece of equipment here that is used in clinical practice to assess things like cognitive function and executive function. A person would wear the headset and ask to look for certain things in that environment and respond by using the controllers. We can measure their cognitive function